Okay, good morning, everyone. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Okay, thank you, okay? So today we're going to be going over addition and subtraction. We are gonna continue from last week. So if you could just please get out your math notebooks and your pencils and just place them right in the center of your desk so that way I know that everybody's ready to start. Okay, perfect. Okay, so right now just get to a new page and please just write down the problems that I am going to write on the board, okay? So we're going to start off with addition. And can anybody tell me what addition is? Does anybody remember? Okay, yes, Sally? Correct. So addition is adding something to something else. So right now we are going to start off with the problem, okay? 2 plus 3, okay? So to do this problem, there are different methods that you can use, and most of them are pretty simple that you can just draw on your notebook. Okay, so right now we're going to start off with just drawing simple little shapes, and it doesn't have to look exactly the way I do it. You can make your own shapes if you want. This is just an example, okay? So we're going to make 2 triangles and 3 circles. Okay, so everybody just, when you're done writing, just put your pencils down on top of your notebook page so I know that you're done. Okay? All right. So everybody count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means there are 5 shapes. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Does anybody have any questions? No? Okay. So right now we're going to do another math problem, okay? It's still going to be addition. So let's do 6 plus 5, okay? These numbers are a little bigger than the last ones, but you'll still be able to get it, okay? So let's see. We have a number 6 and a number 5. You can still keep drawing pictures. Some people also like using their fingers, but as you can tell, there is going to be too many numbers for you to be able to count it on your fingers. So let's do, let's see, 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5 circles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so like I said, when everybody's done writing, just make sure that you put your pencils down on top of your notebook so I know, so we can continue, okay? Let's see. All right, you done? All right, so now let's start counting how many circles there are, okay? So everybody counts out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so that means that 6 plus 5 is 11, and let's see. So again, what is 6 plus 5? 11, got it, okay? Y'all did so good. All right, so right now we're just going to start the subtraction, okay? All right, so can anybody tell me what subtraction is? Anybody? Yes, Alex? All right, perfect. So subtraction is when you take something away from something else. So instead of adding, you take it away, okay? So right now, make sure you're writing all of this down, okay? And if you need help, just let me know. All right, so right now, let's do 7 minus 3. And also notice how the symbol is different, okay? Whenever you want to subtract, it is a straight line like this, okay? So to do this, we are only going to draw the biggest number. So let's do 7 circles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And right now, since we are going to be taking away, we do not need to make 3 circles right here. Okay? So let me make sure that everybody wrote that down. Okay. So right now, to get our answer or our total, what does total mean again? All right, perfect. Total is what you get when you add or subtract 2 numbers. So that's what's going to go right here, okay? So let's take 3 away. So what you can do, okay, everybody on your drawings, take 3 away. Just make an X on them. You don't need to erase. Just so you know that how many you took away, okay? All right. Okay, can somebody tell me how many are left before we count? All right, correct. 4. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means right here, there will be a 4. Our total is 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Good job, everyone. And let's do one more subtraction problem, okay? So right now, let's do 6 minus 4. Okay, and let's just, before I start on it actually, can somebody work on this on their own and then they can let me know what answer you got, okay? I'll give you a little bit just to draw your shapes. Okay. All right. And remember, once you're done, make sure that you put it on top of the notebook so I know that you're ready to continue. Okay, yes, Alex. 6 minus 4. Okay, so Alex says that 6 minus 4 is 10. Okay, so does everybody agree with that? Do you think 6 minus 4 is 10? No, right? Why? Yes, because 10 is bigger than both of these numbers. So what Alex did is he added 6 plus 4. Remember, Alex, what we are doing is taking away. So let's do our circles, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So what we're gonna do now is we're going to take away 4. We're not going to add 4 because we're subtracting now. So let's take away 4. So just there you go. Okay, so everybody, let's count. 1, 2. Okay, so 6 minus 4 is 2. Good job, everyone. All right, so remember there is a difference between this and this. Okay, this is add. You add whenever you see this symbol, okay? This one right here means you subtract, or they also call it minus. Okay, so an easy way to remember is notice how this one right here only looks like it has 1 stick, which means it's going to be less. And this one, they added 1 stick right here, so that means it's going to be addition, okay? So let's see. That is all for today. Next week, we will be going over the other methods that you can use to add and subtract. Please make sure that you put your notebooks away and you organize them, that you put your pencils away, don't leave them on the floor. And once you are done, just sit at your desk quietly with a bubble in your mouth so I know that you're all ready for our next lesson.